The stands at Nationals Park, a beautiful, complex ecosystem, home to a number of remarkable species, each with its own peculiar adaptations. Take, for example, this hungry pack of scorekeepers gathered here to gorge themselves on statistics. They are startlingly adept in the use of strange tools and crude markings. They see things no one else does and hear frequencies unavailable to other species. Their awareness is total. Tragically, this scorekeeper has dropped his pencil and will miss the entire next at bat. Here, we find a cluster of ballpark vibers, fascinating creatures. Experts theorize they're here to socialize. They are blessed by nature with an intense focus that allows them to eat hot dogs through multiple "where are you" texts from work. And once every hour or so, even watch a little bit of the baseball game that's going on. Here, a flock of superfans grace us with their colorful displays. The sight is breathtaking. Sadly, less than half of them will successfully attract the attention of a jumbotron camera. To secure the advantage, this clever superfan appears to have entered into a brief symbiosis with a large bird. Closer to the field, we find a pack of "I could have gone pros," named after their distinctive call, "I could have gone pro, I could have gone pro." Notice this pack projects their voice so that players may overhear their slightly too loud game analysis and occasional indications of career-ending injury. The mom of this family fun day pack relaxes with her litter in perfect contentment. But in an instant, she becomes a keen-eyed hunter, determined to provide her offspring with a fresh, foul ball. Here, in the natural splendor of Nationals Park, these bizarre forms of life, which could not be more different from each other, live in harmony. This is the strange music of nature, for there is only one law in this jungle. No matter what species you are, these stands are your home.